Hello, this is Carrie Claypool with your DIY for the day, and today we are going to be making outdoor spray that can be used on your plants, on your pets, on your people, and even when you're out at picnics. So you want to make sure you keep this spray on hand, and you want to be sure and label the bottle. And I picked up these really cute labels and I put on here what I'm going to use it for, and then each label tells how many of which kind of essential oil. So this one I'm going to use 10 drops of citronella, 10 drops of lemongrass, 10 drops of peppermint, and 10 drops of pine. Now the next time that I make it, I will be able to make it exactly as I've written here, or if I want to change it up, let's say I want a little bit more floral scent, instead of 10 drops of pine, then I can get another sticker and write maybe 10 drops of lavender and put it on there, and that way I know what's in it. Now for this size bottle, we're going to be using about a tablespoon of vodka. And you can use witch hazel as well if you don't have vodka. So I've got my glass jar and my funnel. I have a measuring spoon, and just going to take about a tablespoon of vodka and put that in there. And then I won't need the funnel to add the essential oils. So the first one I'm going to use is citronella. And just about 10 drops. Now some of these come out really fast and some are really slow, depending on the consistency. And we all know how beneficial citronella is in the summertime. You can do a lot of things with citronella. So the next one is lemongrass. And it has kind of a little bit of a lemon scent. You can also use lemongrass in cooking. And then the next one I have is peppermint. Now peppermint is good for outdoor spray because it'll also cool you off. You know, if it's today it's over 85 degrees, and so we're getting ready to go for a walk in the woods, and I'll spray this on and it'll help keep us cool as well. And then the last one is pine. And again, you can change this up with another scent. Okay, 10 of that. Now I will want to use my funnel, fill this up with the rest of the way with water. There we go, make sure you don't overflow it. And then we are ready to go. And again, this is safe for your pets, it's safe for on your skin, for children. You can use it in your garden if you're starting to get evidence of bugs there. So I hope you have liked this DIY. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. And also you can find me on Facebook at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool. Have a great day and see you next time.